So this is the project where we have demonstrated the different paths or stages of the blood flow in the blood circulation system in human beings. So as you can see that we have used the color template that we have provided to make this project. So this template is already there into the lesson plan. You can download and print it. The other instructions for constructing this model has already been given into the lesson plan. So there are 5 paths of the blood circulation system. So this is the first path, that is stage number 1 or path number 1, where the deoxygenated blood from body flows to the right auricle of heart. So this is where the right auricle of heart is. So this is a body, and the blue path denotes the flow of the deoxygenated blood. Here we have used the blue LEDs to represent the same. If I press this push button, these blue LEDs will light up. So this is where the deoxygenated blood is flowing from the body to the right auricle of the heart. So that is the path number 1 or stage number 1. In stage number 2 or path number 2, so this deoxygenated blood now flows to the right ventricle of the heart. So this is the right ventricle of the heart. So from right ventricle of the heart, it pumps out of the heart and goes to the lungs for further purification. So if I press this button, so there are again blue LEDs into this blue path. If I press this second push button, these LEDs will light up. So that shows the path of the blood flow from right ventricle of the heart to the lungs. So that is stage number 2. In stage number 3 or the phase 3, this is where we have shown the lungs, and there are green LEDs representing the purification or deoxygenated blood mixes with the oxygen into the lungs, and it is oxygenated. So it is purifying basically in this stage. So for that purpose we have shown the green LEDs. So if I press this button, third stage, you will see this is the oxygenation process is happening, and oxygen is basically exchanged with the deoxygenated blood into the lungs here. So that is the third stage. In the fourth stage, the oxygenated blood now coming out of the lungs and goes to the left auricle of the heart here, which is represented by red LEDs, this red path. So if you press the fourth button, that is the fourth stage. So oxygenated blood is now coming out of the lungs, going to the left auricle of the heart and into the last stage of the blood circulation. If I press this last button, this is the left ventricle of the heart. From left ventricle, so there are valves here. From left ventricle, the blood will now pumping out. It will pump out to the body. So this is the fifth stage of the blood circulation system. So this project demonstrates 5 stages of the blood circulation system. I hope you will replicate this project in your schools and make this model working. So this is the variation of this particular project that is done using template and different LEDs, push buttons, and soldering process. So thank you very much, and I hope you will replicate this.